I've got a question for you. Do you think real happiness is achievable in your life? Do you have any idea how to make that happen for yourself? Well, I think that we've been fed some interesting narratives around the concept of happiness. So I want to dive into that and reframe the way we think about and act on the pursuit of happiness. So are you ready for the 3 lies we've been told about happiness? Lie number 1, happiness equals eating that cookie or doing that thing that just feels good. Fact, happiness is not the same as pleasure. Things that just make you feel good, like eating that cookie, wearing those cozy pajamas, lighting a candle, they're not the same thing as happiness. That's called pleasure. Pleasure is not inherently bad. It's totally fine. It's just also not the same thing as happiness, right? 2 things can be true at once. Happiness is in your soul, and that cookie is not going to move your soul and fulfill your life. Sorry, little cookie. Lie number 2, I need to seek people and things that bring me happiness. Fact, happiness does not come from others. Happiness is internal, not external. You have to define it and work towards it yourself. If you place your happiness or worth or value or purpose in others, you will always fall short. And not because they failed you, but because happiness lives in your soul, and that is entirely your thing, not theirs. External factors can contribute to your happiness, sure, but the actual fulfillment and joy that accompanies happiness comes from you, sweet pea. So to help shift your mindset, ask yourself, what did I do today to contribute to my happiness, rather than what did others do to make me happy today? Lie number 3, if I can just reach a certain point, I'll be happy. Fact, happiness is not an end goal. Sorry, Buttercup, but this is all about the process. We've all heard it. We've all said it. If I just get that job, finish that project, reach that relationship goal, make whatever money, etc., then I'll be happy. And hey, maybe you will be, because reaching a goal you set for yourself and real achievement are definitely part of living a full, joyful life. But it can't end there, because life doesn't end there. So just like placing your expectations of happiness in a cookie or in another person, you will eventually find yourself unfulfilled, because this is about the process. Happiness is a state within your heart and within your soul, not an end point to be reached only after X goal is achieved or Y point is reached. To help shift your mindset here, try asking these questions. What did I do today to be my best? What can I do today to move forward in my happiness journey? What can I do today to contribute to creating meaningful connections in my community, with my team, with my family, with my organization, with my neighborhood, with my relationships? What actually makes me happy? Your happiness is your responsibility, and it takes constant work. It is not an end point. It doesn't come from others or from just having fun. It is working every day to do your best, to make meaning from your experiences, to contribute positively to your world. So what is the next step you can take to be the best and happiest version of you?